Thank you. Naresh. Naresh Gujral ji. Shri Naresh Gujral.
Thank you, sir.
Please,
Sir,
जब कोई सदस्य बोलता है तो दूसरे सदस्य को अपनी जगह पे खड़े होकर उसको डिस्टरबेंस नहीं करना चाहिए। ये कोई तरीका नहीं है सर। और अगर ये कोई तरीका नहीं है सर, ये कोई तरीका नहीं है सर। पार्लियामेंट में ये कोई तरीका नहीं है। पार्लियामेंट में एक शब्दावली है, अगर उसके खिलाफ है उसके कोई खिलाफ नहीं है। ये अपने विचार नहीं थोप सकते सर। आप अपने विचार कैसे थोप सकते हो? आप सुनिए, सुनने की हिम्मत रखिए, आप थोप नहीं सकते।
Naresh, please.
sir. Sir, February 23rd was a dark day in Delhi's history. Communal fire engulfed the city. Armed hooligans attacked innocent Hindus and Muslims. Almost 50 people lost their lives. More than 300 people were injured, and property worth thousands of crores perished. However, sir, the police response was inadequate, to say the least. Sir, it reminded me of 1984, when an orgy of violence was unleashed by mobs led by Congress leaders who, over 3 horrible days and nights, massacred almost 3,000 innocent people on the streets of Delhi. Sir, it is a mystery as to who initiated these riots and from where did so many gundas enter the city. Sir, I feel that only a very impartial and transparent inquiry commission can reveal the truth. Sir, this land of Buddha and Gandhi, to be witnessing such horrendous riots in the capital itself is a matter of shame, and our image internationally has certainly been tarnished. Sir, now, rather than indulging in a blame game, I think we should collectively resolve to create conditions so that such incidents never happen in this country. Tolerance, equality, compassion, and secular values, as preached by the great gurus, must come to center stage. Harmony must conquer hate. Sir, this is a time to apply balm on the wounds of those who have suffered, be it those who lost family members, or those whose kith and kin have been injured, or those who have lost their businesses and homes. Sir, we must ensure that all the culprits, irrespective of their party lines or religious lines, must be punished expeditiously. Also, adequate compensation must be paid immediately to those who have suffered, and for that I would make an appeal both to the central government as well as the Delhi government. Sir, we must never allow 84 to be repeated, when it took ages to offer meager compensation to the victims and the perpetrators have still not been punished till date, 35 years late. Sir, the Muslim community was upset that they were not included in CAA. However, when some attempts were made to link CAA with NRC and a new format of NPR was sought to be created, that created a sense of fear, insecurity, and suspicion in their minds. They thought that their citizenship would be snatched away from them. I would request the government to take immediate steps to reassure them that their fear is unfounded. The Honorable Prime Minister has repeatedly stated that there has been no discussion on a nationwide NRC. Majority of the CMs, including the Chief Minister of Bihar, supported by BJP legislators in Bihar, have said that they will stick to the old format of NPR, and I hope, sir, that this would be adhered to so that this removes this insecurity in the minds of the minorities. Sir, the idea of India, as envisaged by our founding fathers, rests on 4 pillars: democracy and the institutions that support it, our unity in diversity, secularism, and federalism. When we weaken any of these pillars, we risk bringing down the edifice on which this whole structure rests. Sir, Tolstoy said, if you want to destroy a country, make its citizens fight in the name of religion. The country will perish on its own. Unquote. Sir, peace and harmony have a direct link with the growth of the economy. We need to provide education, healthcare, housing, and most importantly, jobs to our youth, which requires very large resources. Unfortunately, sir, our savings rate is very low. We need FDI. But, sir, we all must remember, FDI will never come if we have strife on the street. They come when there is harmony and when there is tranquility and when there is peace in a country. In the end, sir, I would say that in a democracy, great statesmen and leaders always remain flexible and responsive. They ensure that the bonds of trust between them and the people perpetually remain strong. I'm reminded of Nehru when he sought to make Hindi as the link language, and there were massive agitations in the South. Sir, I'm talking way back when Hindi was sought to be made the link language. At that time, Nehru famously said, sir, Hindi is, I'm coming to that, sir, let me complete.
Directly.
Nehru famously said,
Here.
sir, Hindi is important, but the unity of this country is more important. Sir, we have a Prime Minister today who's popular. He's trusted because he's been elected twice by a huge majority by the people of India. And he believes in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas. I would beseech the Home Minister, kindly repeat it again and again, so that all minorities of this country believe and they trust this government, and that a message goes that their future is safe in the hands of this government. Thank you very much, sir.
धन्यवाद. श्री सतीश चंद्र मिश्रा जी.